very dirty. I need to clean it. Okay, well, I hope you guys are happy now. Because that looks so much better. Actually, I'm much happier. I need to clean the seat too, okay? Okay. I do need to clean this. Are you guys happy now? Are we happy? Okay. I should probably clean it, but I need to go. I'm not detailing my car right now, okay? He better not be looking at my butt. Never went home. Okay. I know, it's because sometimes I'm like, I've been thinking about like, because like people will tell me like, oh yeah, my dream car is my dream car. I'm like, and like for me, like I'm so used to it that I just like, you know, it's kind of like when you have the bitch you want, like you just kind of forget that that's the bitch that everyone wants, and you treat her like shit. Yeah, kind of like that. I treat the car like that, yeah, but I don't really take care of it. It's kind of like that, guys. Maybe like that. Okay, let's put this up because I'm gonna leave right now. That's how it be. Yeah. Starbucks then or what?